It was faster than a bullet train, louder than thunder, and shaped like the future. This is the Concorde, the supersonic marvel that changed the skies forever. With its sleek delta wings and razor-sharp nose, the Concorde wasn't just a plane. It was an engineering icon. Top speed, Mach 2.4. That's over 2,180 km a bush, 1,354 mph. Cruising altitude, a breathtaking 60,000 feet, where the sky turns dark and the Earth's curve is visible. Flight time, London to New York, just 3.5 hours. Length, 62.1 meters, but it looked even longer thanks to its slender fuselage. Passenger capacity, just 92 to 128 seats, pure luxury. Engines, 4-way gas Rolls-Royce, Snecma Olympus, 593 turbojets, roaring power. Range, around 7 to 200 km, 4,500 miles. It wasn't just speed, it was style. The Concorde became the ride of royalty, rock stars and tycoons, a symbol of status and a statement of innovation. Its signature droop nose tilted down for better pilot visibility during takeoff and landing. Its delta wings, built for slicing through air at twice the speed of sound. But in 2003, the roar fell silent. Rising costs, limited range, and one tragic crash ended the Concorde's era. Today, the Concorde rests, but its legacy soars on. A reminder that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Do you think the world is ready for a new supersonic age? Comment below and let's talk Concorde. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation wonders.